We are seeing now the removing of transformer, overhead transformer, and here already completed the underground wiring and underground supply. Now the supply is presently the supply is providing by underground, all RMUs and substations. Now we started our removal. We already removed more than 6-7 transformers. Here first we removing the transformer supply from this cutout. Here we can see the cutout on overhead. The supply is taken from the overhead line. This is removed first, then removed by opening the cutout. We can open the cutout from here. We can see from this video. Next we are removing all LV panel connections, removing the disconnecting the connections from LV panel and smart meter unit.